Hi, I'm Dan Gable with Shore Murphy and Associates of Casey, and this is another episode of Big Agent in a Small Town. Today is my fourth video in my series talking about the different sections of a cyber insurance policy. And today is the section where most claims probably occur from on the cyber policy, and so it's a really important section for small businesses. It can have several different names, but it would be social engineering, funds transfer fraud, computer fraud, are probably the most common for this section. And basically, this is coverage for cyber theft from your business, where a cyber criminal has somehow gained access and been able to actually directly take money from your business. And this can come through in several ways. One is executive impersonation. So, or someone gets an email that looks like it's from an executive in the company, telling them to make a wire transfer to pay a bill to a vendor that the company he works with, or asking them to provide a bank account information. Most often this request will be framed that it's an emergency in a hurry to try to get the employee of the business to do something without really thinking about it. Next is vendor impersonation. So, similar to we're talking about with executive impersonation, and you get an invoice or a wire transfer request from what looks like a normal vendor that you work with in the business. And then you pay that invoice, and you find out later that it was fraudulent. And, cyber criminals are getting really sophisticated with their emails and that to be able to make them look legitimate. And so this is why it's such a big exposure to your business, because it's really easy for a cyber criminal to send something that looks like it came from a real vendor. Next are fake IT support calls. So your employee gets a call from someone saying their IT support, gets them to give login credentials, things like that then give the cyber criminal access to be able to steal money from the business. Finally, there's also impersonation of authorities. So, or similar, someone reaches out by phone, email, or claims that they're with an authority, gets an employee to give over login financial information, and the cyber criminal is able to steal money from the business through that. So basically, in conclusion, the social engineering, funds transfer fraud coverage, what it's there for is that cyber criminals are finding more and more ways to try to get information from employees for cyber crime. And so the cyber policy can provide its great assistance. You have a breach coach you work with if a claim circumstance comes up. And so it's a really valuable part of the cyber policy for your business. If you have any questions about this coverage or any other coverages on a cyber policy, please reach out to me by phone or by phone or text at 217-932-2267, or email to Dan, D-A-N, at Shore Murphy Casey, SHOREMURPHYCASEY.com. Thank you.